Hello everybody, today we are going to making a review of unboxing a Lingdu dashcam front and rear. So I have ordered this from AliExpress. I'll have the link down in the description, and this is what it comes. So here are all the accessories which are inside of the box, and this is so no other things. So here we have the front dashcam in separate box. Here this is the reverse camera, and this is the connector which is necessary. This is going to be plugged into the main front camera, and here we have split where we are going to make the connection between the rear and the power supply of the front. This is something additional, which it is some kind of bracket for the rear camera. So actually this is my second camera of the Lingdu dashcam with the model LD06. I'm very pleased with it, but unfortunately the first camera that I bought was from different supplier, and there the box was bigger, and the reverse camera and all the accessories without this was also in the box. Also, there is in the big box there was one more feature which here I'm missing. It is the electrostatic film. So here for the rear we don't have electrostatic film, which firstly it is necessary to be attached to the glass of the vehicle, and after that the camera to there. So what we have inside of the box, I'll just try carefully to open it with one hand. So here we are opening the camera. So this is the electrostatic for the rear. This is from my other camera that I have, and I put it because I'm going after the video to install the camera, so I take one of this. So we have here for the box the manual. We have the front camera which is here. I will try to take it out of the so you can see it. We have also protective for the lens in this camera. I would like to say one more time that I'm very happy with the quality this camera is giving. That's why this is my second one. So I'm removing this, and below of the box we have the adapter which is necessary to be plugged into the cigarette lighter to the 12 volt. We have some clips for the cable and tools for removing rubbers and other things. We have the cable for the power supply. Also we have this kind of anti-vibration, probably something, and here we have the anti-static for the front. This is something what I was missing for the rear, because the rear is coming separate, not in the box. I don't know why, but currently it this time when I was making the video and ordered this kind of dashcam, it was very hard to find front and rear as a set. This was the only supplier which I find it, which he was offering both rear and front. Probably this is the reason why it is not coming in the one box. So I'll put some of the things here, and so inside of the box we have English service and all the things that are necessary. So this is what it containing the kit: dashcam, electrostatic filter, car charger, Type-C, USB instruction manual. We have cable clips in Pro 2 and SD card. The camera is coming with 48 gigabytes of 48 gigabytes. It is coming. You can change it to 256 also. And these are some of the product diagrams. So this is shortly the review of the camera. I'll make a picture and when I install it to the vehicle to see the quality of the videos. Thank you.